Hey guys, I hope you guys are about to enjoy the video that you're about to watch, and if you guys want to get access to awesome trades like this that me and Hayden post on a regular basis, all you have to do is sign up with the link in the description. Now remember, we're not always going to win them, but we're going to make some great gains along the way. Feel free to check out the profit and loss history on my website. Peace.
Hello everyone, you guys are having a wonderful day. I brought my mic a little bit closer. There we go. So that should be good for the video. Now I'm doing a bit of an extra analysis today for Bitcoin. Usually I do my crypto videos on Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and maybe like on breaking news events. But I wanted to show you guys that Bitcoin could be crossing into the red money flow here on the 4-hour time frame. It's been struggling. It's been chopping sideways within this range here. And essentially, if we break below this range, which is going to be right around 50,700, and we get some candle closes below this, we could very well begin our way down here in our C leg with a larger wave for retrace. And the buy zone would be between 48,000, I would just say 48,000 to 44,000 would be your buy area for Bitcoin. And then on top of that, you have a nice upsloping trend line. Kind of lines up nicely with the buy area here for the ABC correction. So that's what I'm seeing right now. And looking at the forward, it's not looking that bullish right now. Where price just took a bit of a dip. It's crossing into the red. Now we need to see a definitive cross. And then you might see more downwards price action. 1 hour time frame, you're kind of you're just chopping sideways in a range, and that's kind of what you get. That's the kind of money flow you get when you're in a sideways range like that. Looking at the daily, we are looking a little bit bearish right now with the 17 and a -5 on the dual band strength index. The 2-day confirmed a red dot, and the 3-day is about to confirm a red dot in 1 day. So again, if we get a big dip, then it could cause Bitcoin to print a red dot on the 3-day time frame. Wave edge has been signaling a significant amount of selling here on the daily, the 4-hour, and the 1 hour as well. Lots of selling along this rally, and it's just profit taking along the way. I know a lot of people are making the case that this is consolidation for another leg up, and it very well could be. We do have a bullish scenario here where the 4 has already finished, right? And it's a flat, it's a 4 like that, and then we're just going to take off. Although that's possible, I would like to see a bigger pullback come in before we start to get into some big long positions. But again, this could even end earlier. Wave 4s are known for being quite shallow, and it doesn't have to do the full pullback. We could very well just continue. We could do a bit of a more complex correction. But that's what I see for Bitcoin right now. So again, hopefully, if we do get this dip here, it's going to be a great buying opportunity. If you long this rally, then congratulations. You'd have made some great gains. So that's what we'll be looking for. And then yeah, that's basically it. I can cover a few other coins here. I'll take a look at them on Wave Edge and not Wave Edge, Market Cipher. Take a look at Dogecoin and probably Hex. I know a lot of people like these coins. The daily time frame is showing some consolidation, potentially before another leg up. But again, if Bitcoin gets a dip down, Dogecoin, all the other altcoins are going to get a dip down as well. Hex is surprisingly holding up right now, up 6 basis points. Nothing too big, but it is crossing into the red money flow on the daily time frame. But I do like the setup. I think we have a nice little pattern going on, a nice inverse head and shoulders, and we could very well just take off at any moment. But any pullbacks, in my opinion, should be a great buy the dip opportunity for Hex. We'll take a look at XRP. XRP here. Oh, XMR got delisted from Binance, so we'll have to get a new chart for that one. But XRP right now trading at 11 cents. Oh no, sorry, that's XLM. I was gonna say if XRP is trading at 11 cents, I'm gonna have to pick some up right away. But XRP trading at 53 cents right now. Again, similar situation. We've gotten a nice little rally. But we're still in that red money flow, and this momentum wave looked like it's potentially topped out here. So we could be getting another bigger retrace, maybe for a double bottom pattern before we bottom out and then start to come out of it. Okay. And I think that's enough for now. I can probably take a look at Ethereum, which is essentially just like Bitcoin almost. Ethereum is very bullish, as you could probably tell. Same thing as Bitcoin, nice little rally. Sort of topping out as well. Might be a nice shorting opportunity since it hasn't dipped as much yet. You can see Bitcoin's crossing 51,000, so maybe we'll pick up a nice short position on Ethereum before it gets its dip as well. See, the 4-hour time frame has much more green money flow than Bitcoin. Okay, I think that's about it. I mean, Nvidia you recently got earnings. The whole market got lifted up into the into the stratosphere, but Bitcoin was kind of lackluster today. The Nasdaq I believe almost made new all-time highs. The S&P 500 made new all-time highs. So did the Dow Jones. Right, those indexes made new all-time highs. The ones that struggled today probably the Russell 2000 and Bitcoin. Didn't get too much love from the AI boom from the earnings report that came out. But yeah, overall, that's your buy area, guys. Nicely set up here for a wave 4 retrace. And if you wonder how I get these targets, they're essentially just retraces from the moves that we've recently gotten. So the ABC pattern would be something like this. You just pull it and you pull it from the wave A wave, and then you bring it up to the top of the B wave, and then you got your buy zone right there, right? So, I think so that's the larger zone, that's the bigger area for the larger wave 4. So it's all the way down there. So that's basically it. I think I did it wrong. I think I'd have to draw it all the way from the wave 3. And then you'd have, or something like that. Yeah, I need to find that out. There we go. Oh, I'm going too high. I'm actually going to the line I've drawn. That's why. There we go. So between the 50% retrace and the 786. There we go. That's where I think it will end. There we go. There we go. Now I remember what I've done here. My messy chart. Okay. Almost very embarrassing doing that on YouTube. But whatever. I'll post that. Anyways, that's basically it, guys. If we get that dip, that's going to be your buying opportunity, and I'm going to be looking for some long positions. And if we don't get it, then it's going to end early, and the wave 4 is in, and we're going to rally to much higher prices. All right? Sounds good?